Hi guys. So I've recently been using Claude Code on the web more and more. So most people are using Claude Code on in CLI. Same for me, but recently I've been using it on the web more and more, and I have heard that people actually are not fully aware of it. So basically, what you can do is you go to Claude Code, the desktop app, start a new session, and then you pick here the cloud. So it doesn't run local, it runs in the cloud. You pick your repository. I picked Langmail here. And what I usually do then, I first have a session with Claude Code in the CLI because it has all my skills. And right now, not all skills are natively available on Cloud. And I have a small discussion about the next feature. So in this case, we want Langmail to um, have a MCP tool that can also respond to event invitations. So I did a design spec for that tool in terminal in the CLI, and then committed it, push it to main. Then I go to the Claude Code desktop app, cloud, and I just paste here saying implement the spec, and then it starts a session and sets up a cloud container. And what is really nice, it basically the container has all the tools that you will need for your normal day-to-day work. So now let's have it implemented. So, and we're done. You see, I think it took around 10 minutes. Of course, you can run a lot longer task. And as I previously mentioned, you can have all the skills you want, but there's for certain skills and plugins, you need to have some workarounds at the moment. And I'm sure this will be handled in very quickly. So the really nice thing now about it is you can have it create a PR, and you can actually subscribe to events, to webhooks from GitHub. So I have a automatic review on GitHub set up also. And of course, there is a lot of CI running. So for example, we're testing all the MCP tools on the CI here, of course. So what Claude Code here now does is it can auto fix all issues that are on the CI, and you can let it run and only come back to it when it's really done. And you are then only responsible for the final review. So, and we're fully done. So you can see the the PR is created. We have gone through some review cycles. All the CI is completely green. Uh, Basically, what is left to do now is a human review, and then this can be deployed. One thing that you need to be aware of is that it posts comments, review comments, as your own GitHub user. So if you have any automations on your own regarding this, for example, like Atlantis or Terraform Cloud, that you might be aware that this is posting on as your username. If you really like that, and if you want to go deeper, our next Agentic engineering workshop is happening on the 24th of July at Werk 1 in München. I will post the event in the first comment, and see you in the next video. Bye.